Swiftlane has been essentially godsend. Dealing with customer service myself has been 100% more effective than any other company that I've worked with. Along with the capabilities and the kind of the longevity of the product itself. Prior to Swiftlane, we were using providers like DoorKing, Butterfly, and analog Slage code locks. Previous systems lacked an essential competence when it came to alleviating workload and tasks for our team. In most cases, it actually became a burden to our day-to-day tasks because it gave us essentially more to do. The biggest impact to our residents had to do with our packages. Packages being stolen, packages not being delivered, and essentially not getting to where they're supposed to be. My name is Ty Harris. I'm a property manager here with Structure Properties. I oversee multifamily and commercial properties. So Structure Properties is a tech-enhanced full-service property management company. We oversee around 5,000 units here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Our mission statements is to safeguard the futures of our clients and tenants by providing seamless service and treating their assets like it's our own. Here at Structure Properties, one of our main priorities is essentially cost effectiveness for our clients. With the Swiftlane intercom, the ability to essentially have the option for either cellular or Wi-Fi hookup rather than a landline saves our clients a lot of money, around $5,000 per year. Since installing Swiftlane, my team's workload has been significantly decreased, essentially with handling items like move-ins, tenant-related issues in regards to access, and having to meet with vendors. Our workload has decreased by at least 25%. One of the biggest value props that Swiftlane had, competitors did not, was essentially the durability of the intercom itself. The hardware is very efficient, and with San Francisco, a lot of our buildings face scrutiny when it comes to vandalism, and Swiftlane is quick to act. Now with Swiftlane, we're able to completely eliminate keys, making our day-to-day more efficient, no longer having to visit on-site. Swiftlane support has been amazing. There's no long waiting times, to get someone on the phone. They essentially know your property and all the information, so it's not a long, drawn-out, situation. And all in all, they always, they always meet satisfaction and help me with whatever issue that I'm dealing with. With any other intercom system, I'm not getting a response for at least a week. So with Swiftlane, I get responses same day, at the same time where I need assistance. As a property manager, I would recommend Swiftlane based on the benefits like cost effectiveness, installation timeline, durability, and customer support. One, I would like to say thank you for Swiftlane for making my job a lot easier and our company a lot more efficient and taking care of our clients like we do.